Shalom, I am Anat Morad, here to speak to you on behalf of Israel. We are very busy right now. We have to attack Lebanon, Syria, Iran, and Iraq. It's costing us a few millions a day, but we will get much more from it because we get oil. Oil is good investment, and we have been investing in oil business a long time. To be into oil business is good. How else can we destroy the planet and make life on it go extinct? Right now the Amazon forest is burning. That's good. Burn the whole planet down. Fuck everything. Kill, steal, destroy. This is Jewish values, and this was Anat Morad, a short message from the narcissistic state of Israel. Toda.